I'm going to demonstrate a fluxless forge weld. Everybody thinks that, and this is mild steel, and but I hear folks bellyache and whine about not having the right magic dust, not having whatever. Mild steel is you know, doesn't forge weld together. Hear all kind of stuff, huh? Well, you do got to remember that they've always had borax because that's what they washed with. Number two, wrought iron forge welds itself. Wrought iron, there's no need there. You're wasting materials if you're using borax on wrought iron. But you can't go at it at that heat. You've got to get it hot. Sir? Yeah, just in baling wire bends, if you try a coat hanger, it's going to leave gaps. Okay, you can do that. I mean, and I've done it, but as soon as you put a pair of pliers on it and tighten it up, you're going to break a coat hanger. Thank you. I mean, that's exactly what's going to happen. Baling wire is what I recommend. Baling wire will burn in this fire, but tie it back. And huh? And but all I'm gonna do is give it a tap. Y'all see the vapors on it, right? See, if y'all look, this end's wiggling and that end is not. So I'm going to do that again. All right. All right. That weld is set. You see how my steel's moving? Yeah. It's no magic to forge welding. It's just doing it right is all it is. And I mean, I hear even the folks that I've trained under always have trouble getting mild steel to forge weld. And I'm like, why? I said, I never have. And they just say, okay. But y'all see my baling wire is completely gone now, right? I mean, that's all that's left of my baling wire. Let me see. I believe it held. But I mean, that's forge welding is not magic. You don't have to have magic dust. You don't have to. And I did not check here to see how hot it was, but it looks like it's cool enough. Right. But it did stop. So, but and y'all saw that was 2 heats. And at this point here, now if I was going to do something with it, I would literally cut this one here off, draw a taper on it, and turn it into a fire poker. And see? But y'all can see how much of it was forge welded. And now I did not change the dimensions of that steel. It's still pretty much stock dimensions. Now had I forged it down, it would have bit better and better and better. And that was zero magic dust.